This whole look is a freaking vibe, yo. She's taking it, honey.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and the one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up. We finna go.
So I did not mean to be MIA this last week. Your girl has been recouping from a tooth infection that had my mouth all the way just swole. And I'm just so excited to be looking cute today and just feeling a whole lot better. I want to thank Kisslove Hair for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to be installing this wig today. As you can see, it is super pretty. It's a kinky curly texture. She is very gorgeous, very full, and I love the luster of this hair. In my opinion, it makes it look more natural. It's not like super shiny, which I love. Because this is a 360 wig, you can literally style it in so many different ways. You can wear it in an updo, you can wear it in a high ponytail, half up, half down, like I did today. I mean, your styling options are honestly limitless, and with this texture, you can never go wrong with a curly wig. If y'all would like to see how I install this gorgeous wig from Kisslove Hair, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. I am so excited to be filming today because I have been looking a hot mess for the past like week. My face was literally so big. I looked horrible. Then the swelling was draining to my lymph nodes. So I literally looked like I had a triple chin. Not even a double chin. I naturally have a double chin, okay? I had like a triple chin. It was terrible. And I'm looking forward to looking cute, okay? So Kisslove is gonna get your girl together, I think. Y'all already know what the packaging looks like. So the wig did come with a bunch of freebies. Let's go through that first. It came with this HD wig cap, this pink edge brush, an elastic melting band, wig tape, the satin bonnet, 3D lashes, and this cute hot pink robe. And here is the wig. It is a 26-inch kinky curly wig. It is a full 360 wig, so it has lace all the way around the wig, y'all. And the lace has already been pre-cut, as you can see, and it also comes with a pre-plucked hairline and lightly bleached knot. It looks really, really nice straight out the box, y'all. So here's the inside of the cap. As you can see, it is 6 inches of parting space right here in the front of the wig. You also have lace in the back of the wig. You have one big wig comb in the back and 2 wig combs in the front of the wig. And then you also have these clear drawstrings that you can use to tighten the back of the 360 so it can sit nice and flush to your head. So I went ahead and added my foundation underneath the lace. I used the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation in the shade New Caledonia. Let's go ahead and throw this wig on and see what she's looking like. So I am going to use a little bit of spray adhesive today. That's how I like to do my frontal wigs. So I'm going to work this side and then I'll go on to the other side. We're going to wait for that to get tacky, and then once it's tacky, we'll lay it down. Okay, let's go ahead and pull down the lace into the spray. I want to make sure that I get these sides down and just use the back of the comb to lay this lace down. So that's just a quick meltdown, y'all. I just like to get like most of it covered, and then I'm going to do the same on this side as well. So this is what we're looking like so far. It's not all the way attached to my head. So I'm going to use a little bit of melting mousse now just to go around the edges. Try not to put too much on because you will lift up that spray. I'm just going over the very edges of the lace so that I can get that laid down, y'all. Then I'm going to take my elastic melting band and we're going to wrap this very tight around the head. I'm going to keep this on for about 15-20 minutes, then I'll be back. It's been about 25 minutes. Let's see if this lace is melted now. Okay, I'm loving that. So yeah, that is what we are working with now, y'all. If you would like to rock this wig all the way up in a high bun or ponytail, you definitely can. I just threw it up in a quick bun just so you could get a feel for how it would look. Obviously, I would slick this back all the way around to get it nice and secure. But as you can see, it looks really natural, even in the back. I'm gonna rock this wig in a half up, half down hairstyle today though. So let's go ahead and part the hair in the middle. I think I'm gonna do pigtails, half up, half down type of vibe. Spray a little bit of water and leave-in conditioner. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of this mousse and take my brush and get it in place. My lace is lifting just a little bit. If you use a glue, it probably won't do this. I'm gonna take this rubber band to just get it in place. And I'm gonna do the same on this side. So I went ahead and clipped the ponytails up. I'm gonna go ahead and take this water and leave-in conditioner mix that I have and just lightly wet the hair down and just brush through this hair, make sure it's detangled. Next, I'm gonna take this Nairobi foaming wrap mousse and I'm gonna apply this all over the hair. I'm gonna take my brush again just to help me define and rake through these curls. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on this side and we're gonna define those curls. This is my favorite part, y'all. Now let's take the brush and define the curls again. Lastly, I'm gonna define the curls on these two ponytails. Okay, this is a lot better, y'all. I'm feeling cute again. I was looking crazy AF for the past week, but this wig got me together. Makeup is sitting per usual. This face is eating, okay? Anyways, let's go ahead and take a wide tooth comb and I'm gonna start picking the hair a bit just to get it a little bit more full. We don't want to make the hair too frizzy or anything like that, but I just want to get it a little bit more full than what it is since we defined those curls. Like, y'all see the difference? Y'all see the vibes. Let's go ahead and do that over here as well. And she's definitely cute in the back as well, sis. Look at that fullness. Yeah, she's taking it. Y'all definitely want to add this wig to cart. I'm going to have a link down below to this wig in the description box. Be sure to go check it out from Kisslove Hair. Again, this is their 360 lace frontal wig. It is 26 inches long, kinky curly texture. So freaking pretty. And if they give your girl a coupon code, you already know I'm gonna help you save some coin. That'll be in the description box down below as well. If you haven't already checked out my last video, I posted a summer favorites video. You definitely want to check that out next. I share so many amazing products that you need this summer.